What's up, guys? It's Carrie with oralhealthcoaching.com, and today we're going to talk about the difference between mouth rinsing and gargling. Let's get to it. Hey guys, it's Carrie with oralhealthcoaching.com and carrieibitson.com. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm a dental hygienist by trade and oral health coach by passion, and I make online videos and programs that help you get better results with the things that you do in your mouth so that you have an easier time and you can manage the health of your mouth. Today I want to talk about the difference between mouth rinsing and gargling. Those might sound like the same things, but really they're almost two totally different things. And part of the reason is when you're putting liquid in your mouth and you're rinsing, your tongue is going to pull back and it's going to stop that liquid from going back into your throat and in your tongue. But when you're gargling, you're actually trying to clean the back of your tongue, the beginning part of your throat, and you can also help to clean your tonsils and your adenoids. All of those things can be really important when you're trying to control bacteria, because a lot of times it's difficult to clean the back of the tongue and back into the sinuses. And if you're not controlling that bacteria, that stuff builds up. And also this time of year, it can really help to control sickness and things like that. You can hear in my voice right now that I'm a little bit raspy, and I had spent some time in Las Vegas. There's fires in California. It's just a dry time of the year. So I made sure that I actually didn't gargle right now so that I had this voice to help you guys see that when you are gargling, you're going to be able to clean these areas. One thing that you want to be careful with when you're gargling, you want to make sure that you're using a pH neutral and gentle flavor if you're using a mouth rinse. You also want to make sure that it's safe to swallow, because when you gargle, you're going to inadvertently just get some stuff that's going to go down, and that's okay, which is why I typically for this one use the Spry mouth rinse that is alcohol-free, that is super gentle and benign in its flavors. I like the Island Grape as kind of the personal one that I use, but I ran to the store to pick one up, and this is typically the one that you're gonna find in the store. You're gonna want less liquid in your mouth when you're gargling, because again, when you tilt your head backwards, you're gonna feel that stuff really get into the back of your throat. So let's do it really quickly. Little goes a long way. When you first start getting that solution into your mouth, you want to force it in between your lips, in between your cheeks. Everywhere that your toothpaste and toothbrush can't get to is where mouth rinsing and gargling is really going to help. Then when you're ready to gargle, you tilt your head back and you really make an audible ah sound. You're wanting to make sure that you're going left and right with your neck, that you're opening and closing your mouth. These are going to get the areas that you're just missing and also be able to clean the back of that tongue. This is why I use a safe to swallow product, because as I'm back there, it's just natural that my body's going to want to swallow. That's okay. And this video isn't meant to show you as long as you should be doing it. You want to gargle as long as you can to really help clean the areas that you just can't get to. There you have it. It's as simple as that. You want to rinse and then gargle for as long as you can. I can already feel the mucus in my sinuses and in my throat already starting to dissipate. So if you have a sore throat, or if you have bad breath, or if you have cavity issues and you know there's some mouth breathing going on, if you're someone that gets tonsil stones, gargling can really help you, not only with your oral health, but also your overall health. So I hope that's helpful for you, and I hope you get some great results with gargling. Let me know what you think. If you have questions, I have answers. Leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe so that we can stay in touch. Let me know how I can help you, and until next time, thanks for being here, and we'll see you soon. Bye.